One of the most important principles that stood out to me was the problem tree principle. So back then, when William first met me, I was really a person who I consider myself to be too nice, right? So with that, I would always take on people's problems. I'd always want to be the person who was able to solve them, because I thought that, my gift to humanity was to be as most impactful as I can, and in the lives of other people, because I know that a lot of people go through different struggles, because we're all human, we go through our own struggles, but the problem is, eventually and I'm sure like most people who are very nice, they find themselves in situations where they're taken advantage of, and they're looked as the people who are the main solution to the other people's problems. So what happened was, when I was solving a lot of people's problems, they kept coming back to me because they knew that I was there to solve their problems. And what happened is I was caught in this cycle where that's all I was doing at some point, and I was getting more stressed and more stressed. So the problem tree problem, what it did for me essentially was it made me view problems from a different perspective. It made me view problems as we all have problems, and it's also important for us to all acknowledge that, but also to not hold on to the problems of the other people, so much so that it weighs us down, whether it's mentally, emotionally, physically, whatever that is. But that also taught me that by solving other people's problems, I'm actually doing them a disservice, because what happens is, just like the saying goes, you can feed a person one day with a fish, but if you teach the person how to fish, you can feed them for life. And so essentially what I was doing is I was actually limiting them by solving their problems, because I was not putting them into a perspective where they themselves could solve their own problems versus always relying on me. So the problem tree really made me realize, like, yes, I might be nice, but sometimes it's better to do things in a different way, even if it's quote unquote seen as a little bit more harsh, because it really isn't. It really isn't harsh, because at the end of the day, you're giving people the tools they need for life, and at the end of the day, that's way more priceless than just going in and solving someone's problem consistently. So that was awesome.